Students' organization submit memorandum to SP, demands reinstatement of OC Anthony Rongpi. ASDC forms Bokajang Constituency Committee at Hanjang Langso. VDC Chairman Sarko Rongpar visits riverbank erosion spots. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansapi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. The students' organizations comprising of the Karbi Students Association, United Karbi Students Association, and All Assam Gorkha Students Union Karbi Anglong Unit on Monday organized a protest in demand for cancellation of transfer of Kheroni OC Anthony Rongpi. A memorandum in demand for the cancellation order was also submitted to the West Karbi Anglong SP. During the protest, students' organization expressed their deep disappointment and shock over the transfer of OC Rongpi, who was recently appointed as Kheroni OC. The organization in their joint memorandum stated that OC Rongpi has been serving honestly since his appointment as OC and is widely respected for his healthy and cordial relationship with the general public. The students' organization demanded the SP to reinstate the police officer in the greater interest of the public and maintenance of peace in the area. Mohan Teran reporting from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of the former EM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Rajendra Rongpi, the Autonomous State Demand Committee on Sunday gave form its Bokajang Constituency Committee. The formation program was held at Hanjang Langso, was chaired by ASDC Bokajang Constituency Committee President Buddheshwar Karmakar. Ex-MLA Hemsing Tiso attended the event as the chief guest in the presence of former chairman of ASDC Central Committee Daniel Teron, Ram Singh Tokbi, Sanjay Kiling, Kamal Singh Be, Vidya Singh Tiso, Kang Therbe, Prabhula Kerkata, KNCA President Marina Bepi, and several other supporters. While explaining the object to the meeting, Ram Singh Rongpi emphasized on the need to revive the party's Bokajang Committee after it became silent years ago in 2012. Ex-MLA Hemsing Tiso said that ASDC is the genuine party formed to fight for achieving statehood. He also said that it was because of the party that the Karbi Anglong District Committee got the autonomous status. He also said that the party's stand is to protect the culture, tradition, and language of the tribal people, unlike the national parties, which always intends to suppress the voice of the locals. The ASDC leader urged upon the people present to work hard for victory in the 2021 Assembly elections.
আমি এই পরিস্থিতি রাজনৈতিক পরিস্থিতি হোক সামাজিক পরিস্থিতি হোক আর্থিক পরিস্থিতি হোক আমি সকলোৱে জানো বা নতুন অহা যুৱক যুৱতী সকলে অতিকৈ কম নেপালেও তেওঁলোকক দুই এষাৰ কথা ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ।
During the program, the party leaders have criticized the BJP leader and the former Home Minister of India, Rajnath Singh, for failing to fulfill his promise he had made to the people of Karbi Anglong. The regional party leaders said that only ASDC can lead the people to fulfill the demand of autonomous state.
ASDC asong MPK hang asong ansusi song long parjapon unpo pen pangtang pon unpo busi niltumin pen ningkilo niljungjung pen stame ningthipon par kedamtang kajan ele segmen along sinjan along stame rengma naga tum tame jungjung alang litum mithang pen masi ASDC Regional Committee Sengpon Law.
After unanimous decisions, Ram Singh Rongpi was appointed as the new president, Pitingson Sangma as the secretary, Simi Bepi and Pintu Marak as organizing secretary, and Ranjit Tokbi as office secretary for the committee, and another 30 persons were included as executive members. Anand Terang from Bokajang, Karbi Anglong Live. Pura Langso, the village regarded as the cleanest among the several other villages in Umrangso, is setting an example of proper maintenance of cleanliness in a village. Once you visit the village, you will feel like it is not in Umrangso, but somewhere in a developed colony. Since its establishment in 1979, the people of Pura Langso has adopted the habits of cleaning their village and had taken the cleanliness of the village very seriously. It is among the largest Karbi villages in Umrangso with 120 households. The GB of Pura Langso, Delijan Timong, himself is very much interested in the cleanliness of the village, and he inspires and encourages others to do the same. He said that keeping the surrounding clean is not only a trait of good moral characters, but it also helps in keeping out diseases like malaria. Villagers would regularly clean the village in the morning and evening and had installed dustbins in several points. Despite doing whatever possible from their own efforts, the village still deprived of several facilities including proper roads. Following this, the people of the village have appealed upon the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council CM Debolal Gorlosa and local MEC to provide them with better road connectivity and other materials to maintain sanitation of the village.
Nilitum gewang pakai 1979 tidak nilitum lasu ang namalong bang lo dan nilitum larong bong nguruk tangkir laga ku dan niliti itu non Wimi cuma seme lasu sebang sir bang langanta nilitum klembom lang tapi lugu perhitung seme nilitum panon tame Japon bom lang lahai rong si pan kengtur awar sai lahai seme cuma nang klembom bom lapen non lahai desbin kebek seme itum rong si pen si mitang tangkap si rung lo tapi non lahai klembom bom lo dan rong rup sebang sir lagi itum disu jang pen serpi rong si dan pen si itum lasu rong bangkai sebang sir.
Linson Ronghang from Umrangso, Karbeng Long Live. Duarbagori constituency VDC chairman Sarkoy Rongphar had on Monday visited the river bank under number 2 Dolomara polling station. He visited the area after receiving news of the floodwater of Diflo River eroding its bank, causing great threats and problems for the locals. The people of the 7 villages near the Diflo River have been facing huge problems due to the erosion caused by the floodwater. This is not a new problem for the people of the area. Here, as the floodwater annually erodes the bank and incurs heavy loss to the people since many years. Widowed wife of Elias Hanse had told our Karbeng Long Life correspondent that a large portion of their plot of land had been lost to the river.
Langkit he pulote nalilong leke kang lemdun titilodi.
Langit he ling si lem pon bom la pulo. Rang ta nangalang atum ke dolo. Vàng bom lo vàng ni cái thong là phụ party ni thong vàng lo sự tâm tháng ta năng klem pipe là si non năm vàng ta ko cái thế ding dom phan cái chân ning lo là so alang phan cặp cái pabosai dia phan cái ni klem pipon tha pusi nang lit tu ma phana chân ning dun.
In several parts, the villagers are left with no road as the road that runs by the river bank is damaged every year. After receiving several complaints from the local VDC chairman Sarkoy Rongphar reached the spot to see the ground situation. He had assured that the matter had been acquainted to the local MEC Richard Togby and immediate necessary steps would be taken to prevent further erosion of private land.
Nili nang lang lo, nasa hok lo, dak bangke tuwar ke long bangke langkang len bangka hok lo. Rap tum kecileng sung pig lo, athe da tu na tu, rong plipo rap tum kecileng imena tuwar ke lahan lo. Nasila support bangke pravdin pen ke claim jeep han nili MEC sar pen cingwai po. Asi alang li kopia bidi pen si lebok so kam klemi fan ma nilihin pen tame unan ke nili po idut po.
Arjison Rongphar from Dolomara, Karbeng Long Live. As the district sees gradual increase in COVID-19 cases, as per the latest information shared by the Karbeng Long Autonomous Council chief, the number has risen to 441 till Monday morning. Of the 441 cases reported from Karbeng Long and West Karbeng Long, 238 persons have so far recovered, while 199 are active and 4 persons have succumbed to the virus. Karbeng Long Autonomous Council CM have repeatedly been urging the people to follow all safety norms and not to venture outside the house unless extremely necessary. Meanwhile, Assam Health Minister had expressed his joy, stating that more numbers of people coming forward to voluntarily donate plasma in the hospital to save lives of COVID patients. Till Monday evening, a total number of 58,837 cases of COVID-19 positive have been reported from the state, out of which 42,325 have been discharged after being cured, while 145 persons have died of the disease. At the time of compiling this report, 16,364 cases are still active and patients are taking treatment in several hospitals across the state. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.